Good morning, dear students. It's time to study A Tale of Two Cities written by Charles Dickens. Now, in this video, we're going to continue with our question answers of chapter 1 and 2. Get ready with your notebooks, children. Please take out page number 124 in your textbook. The activities which are given in the textbook. We have comprehension, the first exercise. Let's go through this. First, we read the chapter and write true or false. In France, people were tortured even for small crimes. True. Everyone in England and in France was poor. False. Everyone was not poor, no? The king and the queen in both countries looked after those in need. It's totally false. Okay? King and queen were busy in their own pursuits in life. Robbery was common on the roads in England. True. Mr. Lorry met Miss Manette to tell her that her father was still alive. True. Because times were dangerous, private messages were delivered in code. True. Mr. Lorry enjoyed taking care of matters that were not related to business. False. For many years, Miss Pross had been looking after Dr. Manette's money. False. Miss Pross wasn't looking after Dr. Manette's money. Miss Pross had been taking care of Miss Manette. Miss Pross was a distant relative of Lucy's. It's false. She was caretaker of Miss Pross was caretaker of Lucy. Miss Pross agreed to join Lucy and Mr. Lorry on the journey to France. True. This answer is true. Clear? Now next is discuss the following questions. What do you think the message recall to life means? Who do you think it refers to? Explain. Children, please note down. Recall to life is a secret message in a decoded form. Okay? It means a new chance at life. This message refers to the release of Dr. Manette from the prison of Bastille after 18 years. He is finally recalled to life from the false accusations of the past. Please note it down quickly. Next question is, the story takes place in a time when people dressed very differently than they do today. Do you think clothing was comfortable then? Why or why not? Children, you must have seen in the pics of this novel that the characters are dressed in a very, large, frilly dresses. You can see them dressed up in, this has a scarf over. I can see this wearing some extra accessories along with the overcoats and all. So you can see their dressing sense. So do you think that these were comfortable? Answer to this question is, children, in my opinion, clothing was not at all comfortable. In my opinion, clothing was not at all comfortable at the time when the story took place. Men and women wore long and heavy scarves. Can you see, please? Ties, overcoats, cloaks, gowns, etc. Though these clothings were attractive, they were cumbersome too. Cumbersome means heavy. What does cumbersome means? It means heavy. Therefore, modern lifestyles do not match with such heavy outfits. Student, this is a general question. Okay, you can write according to your experience, according to your choice. So this is a sample answer I've given you. You may write the answers in your own words also. So these two questions are actually very general questions. So children can write on their own. Next question is, what was the life like in your country 1 or 2 centuries ago? Would you like to have lived then? Why or why not? So you can write down 1 or 2 centuries ago. Children, this I've written it once again over here. You can write from here. 1 or 2 centuries ago, life in my country was bounded by various rituals, traditional taboos, and social customs with a lot of ethical touch. People were very conservative, though India was struggling to be So I repeat here, people were very conservative, though India was struggling to be independent. People led a life enriched with moral values and virtues. There was hardly any technological advancement. No, I would certainly not prefer to have lived then, because life was tougher then as compared to the present times. Those were the days of struggles, and now we live in the age of comforts and achievements. Children, you can write in your own words too. You can write your opinion. You can give your opinion. Okay, all those who cannot, you can just copy it on this. Next, children, come to B part. Find the following extracts from chapter 1 and discuss their meaning. So this is not find, this is read the following extracts. Read the following. Okay. Accordingly, you just don't have to search for this here. These are given on the page, this particular pages, and you have to find it out and explain that in what context. It's actually reference to context, right? So first one is, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. It was the spring of hope, it was the winter of despair. So the answer to this question is, the given extract refers to the time period in history when there was complete imbalance in law and order of the two countries, France and England. Just note it down. Next is page 18. Miss Manet, you must understand that I, Mr. Lorry, am a man of business and these matters are not easy for me. Now the answer to this question is, this is page 18. The given extract reveals that Mr. Lorry has been dealing with only financial affairs. Throughout his life, he is not used to dealing with emotional matters. Clear? He is not used to dealing with emotional matters. Next, children, it's same page, page number 18. I am Lucy. I am going to see. Now come to this point, number 3, page 18. I am going to see his, that is Dr. Manet's course. It will be his course, not him. Lucy Manet discovers a truth that her father is still alive, but greatly changed. At this, she responds that she would be meeting her father with living body and dead soul, that is a ghost. You can write this answer in your own words too, children. Time and again I repeat every time. Now after this, come to the language practice. These are the word meanings, actually the word meanings. But then children, read the chapter, and in the chapter if you have the tough word meanings, you have to refer it to the dictionary. Please find the word meanings and write there. Now some word meanings are at the back of your book also. You have to complete this too, according to the chapters so completed, right? Next, come to this, the poor, who have little money or opportunity. That B part is the underprivileged. A way of life where people have enough of everything. Prosperity. Plead for something you need. Request. Looking or searching for something or someone. Seeking. Difficult that people have when they are poor. Difficulties that people have when they are poor. Hardships. To get better after you have not felt well. To get better after you have not felt well. Recover. To hide something or cover it up. Conceal. Conceal is to hide. So please note down. Children, please complete the question answers of this chapter. Okay, complete it, and it should be done in a fair notebook, right? So these are the two parts. So the full chapter number 1 that we call to life, along with the reference to context as well as the long question answers. That's all for this video. The next video we'll do chapter number 2. Thank you.